Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make a electrical house wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribe and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DPMCB, switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, light, phase connection input to double pole MCB, neutral connection input to DPMCB. Phase connection from DPMCB to connect switch 1. Output connection from switch 1 to switch 2. Output connection from switch 1 to switch 2 another point. Output connection from switch 2 to connect switch 3. Another connection from switch 2 to connect switch 3. Output connection from switch 3 to connect light. Neutral connection from DPMCB to connect light. Earthing connection connect light. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.